Today, we're asking, how is Joe Alwyn handling the spotlight solo at Cannes while his ex, Taylor Swift, shares a romantic getaway with Travis Kelce? Stick around as we dive into the contrasting worlds of these former lovers and uncover the latest drama. Joe Alwyn turned heads as he confidently walked the red carpet solo at the Cannes Film Festival premiere of Kinds of Kindness. Looking dapper in a classic black suit, Joe posed for cameras with a smoldering gaze, proving he's thriving post-breakup. Meanwhile, his ex Taylor Swift was seen in Lake Como, Italy, sharing a romantic day with her new boyfriend, NFL star Travis Kelce. The couple enjoyed a candlelit dinner and cozy moments on a water taxi, all while Taylor takes a brief break from her The Eras tour. As Taylor's latest album, The Tortured Poets Department, continues to climb the charts, fans speculate the new songs might reflect her split from Joe. Insiders claim Joe isn't fazed by Taylor's lyrical storytelling, choosing to focus on his career instead. Despite the breakup, Joe remains tight-lipped about his past relationship, maintaining his signature privacy. Sources say he has banned any Taylor-related questions during his Kinds of Kindness press tour, underscoring his intent to move forward. Taylor and Joe's relationship may have ended, but their professional lives are soaring. Taylor's musical reflections and Joe's cinematic endeavors show that while they've parted ways, their talents continue to captivate audiences worldwide. What do you think of Joe and Taylor's contrasting paths post-breakup? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and stay tuned to Celeb Explore Hub for more celebrity updates. Until next time.